Welcome to Online Typing Test, your free online speed typing test. In less than 5 seconds, you could be up and doing your first test as a guest user. Just click Start and begin typing by copying the text that will be displayed in the text box that you'll be taken to. If you've got an extra 10 seconds to spare, you might like to customize your test before you start by selecting from category, level, time and even font size. Then once you've made your selection, click Start and begin typing. Now if you get a good score as a guest user, you may end up in the top 50 for the day. And if you're a registered user and registration is free, you'll be able to check out the top 100 results for the day. As a registered user, you'll be able to add some further customization to your test by activating the special features in the control panel at the top of the home page. So please take a moment to check these out and find out what works best for you. Do a little experimentation. During your test as a guest, you'll see the words per minute, accuracy and countdown displayed above the test area. Registered users can also display other statistics. These can be turned on or off in any combination. When the test is over, both guest and registered user will be able to see test results in rank and words per minute to the right. Clicking on Full Results will show exactly where your errors occurred and what type of mistakes you made. As a guest, full results will be available for 24 hours with a unique guest ID, and as a registered user, you'll always have access to your full test history. Now here's some more things you can do as a registered user. On the top 100 page for all results, you'll be able to filter results by category, level and time. You'll also be able to search results for something specific that you might be looking for. And you'll be able to sort the results table by the table headings. For example, clicking on rank will sort the rank from 1 through to 100 if you've selected to show 100 results for that table. Or you can click it again and it'll show the results in reverse order. Same applies for words per minute or characters per minute, errors, corrections and so on. For a full list of features, please check out the list at the bottom of our home page at onlinetypingtest.net. Well, that's probably enough information to get you up and running, but here's some final words of wisdom. If you want to succeed with speed, here's 2 hot tips to help you burn up your keyboard. Number 1, start with our default test and practice, practice, practice. Mastering one test will boost your confidence, and this will help you keep going to achieve greater speed and greater accuracy. Secondly, because speed is no good if you're always crashing into something, always, always, always put accuracy before speed. All the best then for your typing success.